Hi, Jeff Haradine with Barletta Pontoons, and we're here today on the Corsa 23 QSS. And so this is a wonderful model for us in the Corsa lineup, 23 feet long, and it's a really great boat. It accommodates a lot of people sitting down. And so you can see here in my bow lounges, I've got room for easily myself and at least one other person, if not two other people comfortably. And then a mirror image of that bow furniture on the port side gives me room comfortably for 4, up to 6 is pretty easily if everybody's cozy with each other. And then all kinds of room for me to stretch out, rest my legs out right on the chaise lounge. Of course, a nice armrest. Everything just fits perfectly on this boat. As you can see, typical of Barletta, we do lots of good symmetry throughout our boats. Everything flows together nicely for good seating arrangements. As I step through the middle part of the boat, of course, a great captain's chair. And then here's the unique magic of this boat. We've got our club lounge. You can see I'm sitting directly adjacent to or across from the captain. It's a great spot to sit, and I can be comfortable here all day long. But at Barletta, we love when we can make space multi-dimensional, when it can do different things depending on how you want to use your boat at that moment. And so, in addition to the great club seat, I can also flip it as a rear-facing lounge. Gives me the opportunity to still be directly with my captain or pay more attention to what's going on in the back part of the boat, either with the people or maybe the kids are swimming off the back. And as good as that is, it gets even better because we can lay it all the way flat, or we can flip this up into a great forward-facing chaise lounge for the co-captain. And this is a dynamite seat. I could sit here all afternoon. If we collapse things back to the rear-facing lounge, you find this boat offers what a lot of a good wraparound seating at the back offers people, and that's really great seating throughout the boat. So myself, 1, 2 other people, maybe 3 other people comfortably here. And then across from me on the starboard side behind the captain, another full bench seat with a chaise lounge. So lots and lots and lots of great upright seating for people. It's great for cruising around the lake, taking a nice lake tour or a river tour. And then as I step toward the back of the boat, everything that you know about Barletta that's great. We've got our awesome big swim decks off the back. Plenty of room to swim, to get ready for the tubing and the skiing. Great walkthroughs between the ski tow bar and the furniture so you can step side to side easily. A wonderful stainless steel deep reach ladder. And so this boat just all ties together very nicely at the stern too. This boat does have our optional arch on it, which we can put on any of our 23 and 25 foot Corsas. So it's a great, gives that Corsa, which is a sporty boat anyway, an extra sporty look with the arch. And then you get a nice, very solid bimini top that comes standard. It folds out. It gives you plenty of coverage toward the back. So for a 23 foot boat, we've packed in an enormous amount of seating. You get big families on here having a whole lot of fun all day long. And then with the queue, our wonderful co-captain club lounge. It's a great boat. Check it out at a dealership. Check it out on our website. Certainly we're here to answer any questions. We look forward to seeing you out on the water.